flour, no oven. It does look like a celebration cake. Begin with our AAI Hydration Hero, a baby watermelon. As Chef Chano prepares this recipe, I reveal the Blue Zone discoveries and the AAILAWS hidden inside every ingredient. AAI stands for Aliment Anti-Inflammatory. Blue Zone researchers kept finding the same eating patterns in some of the world's longest living communities. At AAI, we decoded those patterns into AAILAWS, practical laws inspired by the Blue Zones. Join our free newsletter through the link in the description and uncover another AAI law inspired by the Blue Zones. Today's recipe reveals Blue Zone Law number 1, Nature Nourishes. Center slice becomes our AAI nature base. Dry it well. Now you're probably asking why. A dried surface helps the AAI Cloud Cream stay perfectly in place. Now let's prepare our AAI Rainbow Gems. Start with the mandarin, peel it. Now take a fresh kiwi, washed. Pointed knife, turn the kiwi into flour using a gentle zigzag cut. Most people think beautiful decoration comes from talent. Professional chefs know it comes from technique. So again, join our free newsletter through the link in the description and uncover another AAI law inspired by the Blue Zone. Now slice the apple. Brush it with our AAI Fresh Shield, fresh lemon juice. Refrigerate the coconut cream for at least 30 minutes. Most people change the ingredients. Professional chefs change the temperature first. Cold coconut cream becomes thicker, lighter, and easy to whisk. Mix it with our AAI Golden Nectar until smooth. spread it over the AAI Nature base. Most people see this as a dessert. Use it as your 30 minutes pre-workout snack. You are probably asking why. Water, healthy fats, and potassium work together to help you begin your workout hydrated, comfortably energized, and ready to move. Now comes our favorite moment, bringing everything together. Decorate your AAI Summer Cloud Cake the way you love. Most people decorate for beauty. Blue Zone researchers discovered another pattern. Colorful meals appeared again and again. Every natural color brings different protective plant compounds, polyphenols, vitamin C, potassium, working together inside the body. One colorful Blue Zone-inspired celebration cake, many different benefits. Today you decoded the first AAI law inspired by the Blue Zones. Blue Zone law number 1. Nature nourishes. The closer food stays to its natural form, the easier it becomes to nourish your body.